what is the benefit of choosing to install 2 brood boxes?
It is a slower process for your bees, and it is also more winter weather effective because they have more stores for the winter. But you should plan as a backyard beekeeper of only having 2 deep supers your first year. There won't be any more than that there for your first year.
I'm afraid to go in to the very, the deep
Okay.
brood box because I'm afraid of possibly squishing the queen. Do you have any tips or principles as far as, her not going along the wood frames, or does she stay in a certain area?
Okay. So this kind of leads into hive manipulation, and it's a little advanced, but at the same time, it's great information for everyone. Okay. Deb, come here. This is your claim to fame. She's eating a donut. Okay, I want you just to hold this here, okay, so I can talk. You have a lot of propolis that's going to hold these frames in that the bees produce to hold them in place. I never go to the first one, all right? You come in, you move the second one over, and then you bring that out very much straight up and down. If you pull it on an angle like this, you're going to roll your queen if she's on that. All right? Pull it straight out. Voila. Now you have plenty of room. You can go on ahead and pull this one out. Take a look at that. Now you can just start moving these over slowly and pulling them out one by one. If you go for the first one, it's too tight, and at the same time, there's a good chance the queen might be on there. And if you roll a queen, that means she's not going to be able to produce eggs. So you're buying another queen. That's $30, $35, $40 for the queen, plus $40 shipping. So 80 bucks. I mean, I rolled a queen. I had 4 hives, like I showed you in the slide earlier. I rolled the queen on the first hive within the first 3 weeks because of inexperience. All right, so you're going to have some setbacks just because you're inexperienced. But this type of manipulation of your hive will keep you from rolling a queen 90% of the time.